Hello kids, welcome to jashwinTv. Let's learn G letter words. G for goat. 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 G for girl. Giol. Girl. Girl. G for gift. 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 G for gate. 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 G for goose. 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 G for garlic. 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 G for grapes. 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 G for ginger. 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 G for ghost. 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 G for globe. 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 G for glue. 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 G for garden. 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 Thanks for watching. Please subscribe jashwinTv.